County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, until midnight at 7:01 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mineral Point, Darlington, Shullsburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Blanchardville, Summers, Wheaton, Linden, New Diggings, South Wayne, Lamont, Rui, Hallandale, Gratiot, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, Platte Mounds, Lead Mine, and London. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.